Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, DeSoto, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is typically a move of more than 50 miles from your present location. Long-distance moves are no problem for 3 movers. We can help you move within the state or across state lines. We also have a valid permit to move interstate, which means outside of Kansas. When you trust us with your possessions, you can rest assured that they are in good hands. Regardless of the job, you can trust that our movers are capable and well-trained. They're adept at moving heavy objects without damaging them. In addition, they take great care in arranging them within the vehicles. When you choose us at 3 Movers, you can be confident that our local relocation will go precisely as planned. DeSoto can be congested sometimes, and we know how difficult it is to move things about. That's why we've allotted some time to acquaint ourselves with the town's numerous routes. We also know how to transfer your possessions, and we know how to do it with a smile on our face every step of the way. Locals adore us for our inexpensive costs, in addition to our great many attributes. Our rates range from $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our DeSoto moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.